Hey everybody, it's Josh Beard on a Budget. I got a quick little thing I want to show you. I've been working on this little Hayabusa here that just it's having an issue where it'll start if you jump off the solenoid, okay? But you turn it on the switch, it does nothing. Light goes dead. Okay, so I've checked the start switch itself, cleaned it, everything's good, no changes whatsoever. Now, it does have aftermarket handles on it. So I checked the clutch safety. And even with it pressed in, let's see if I can do this with one hand here, because the handle is not hitting it. So you click it in. Same thing. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't think of is these can go bad. They can and do go bad fairly easily. Now, watch. We'll show you another little test you can do. Now, I am not a mechanic other than, in my own house, on my own stuff. And this is one of the bikes that I bought. Hang on one second. Stare at my knee for a second so I can fix this, because I ain't good with one hand. I'm not amphibious. But anyway, you jump that with a little piece of wire. Okay, now I've done nothing else to it. Now, you hit your start switch. That just goes to show you don't always trust the switches. They do go bad internally from time to time. It might be just a simple little switch like this. It could have been your clutch lever not fully engaging this. In this case, mine was. It still just wasn't making good contact. Now, there are little contacts in there that you can clean if it'll focus, that you can clean to see if that'll help your issue. But I figured I'd give this little piece of advice. I've been out here for a little while trying to figure out what's going on with it. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Hit that like, share, subscribe. And as always, most importantly, be kind. Tell somebody you love them. Thanks for coming out.